Now let's say you have the scenario of having a switch in the box already. Everything's all wired, you're just replacing the drywall. You took the drywall down, you want to put new drywall up. Here's what you do. Cut it to the right length and the right width, and then you want to take some measurements for the box. I'm going to measure from this side. So as long as I pull from that side of the drywall and mark it, my measurement will be accurate. So I'm measuring from that side, and remember, you do have a little bit of wiggle room with the plate cover that's going to go on this switch, but you want to measure to this side of the box, which is about 12 7/8, and then you want to measure to this side of the box, which is about 15 1/4. So I'm going to write down 12 7/8 and 15 1/4. And I'm just going to make sure that that's the same on the bottom. And it looks like it is. And then I want to do the same thing like this. And I'm going to measure to the actual box. You'll notice that these metal pieces are sticking out a little more, but I'll show you what to do with those in a minute. So I'm going to write down 5 15 16ths and 9 7/8. So 5 15 16ths, and double check, 9 7/8. Now I'm going to go over to my piece and mark those measurements on my piece. So measuring from the same end, wherever you measured from, 12 7/8. Make a mark right here, and then I'm going to take this down like this, 12 7/8. Make a mark right here. Next measurement, 15 1/4. Right here, and then same here, 15 1/4. Then from the top, 5 15 16ths, 5 15 16ths, and a 1/16 of an inch, maybe pushing it. That is a really small measurement. Like I said, you have some play with the plate cover. And then 9 7/8. Okay, mark there. Make a mark here, here, and here. This is what they call a keyhole saw. It's made for cutting drywall, and it has this sharp point on the end, which you put right into that corner and kind of tap the end of it, and it goes right through, and you can do that this whole way around and just cut this box out. Now you should have a perfectly cut hole. However, what's happening is those metal pieces are stopping the drywall from actually going in and around that box. So what you could do is take a utility knife and cut around them, or you can take some needle nose pliers and grab these, and these are actually made to break off. So if you wiggle them back and forth, you can break them right off. Now your switch or outlet will stay in the box, but now you can take your piece and work it right in there and push it into place. And then you attach your screws and you should be good to go. And like I said, you have some wiggle room with the plate cover. So you can see there's a little gap right there. But once you put that on, covers that right up.